In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks online tutorial, categorizing downloaded transactions. If you've ever stared at a long list of bank activity and wondered how to turn it into clean, accurate books, you're in the right place. Our goal today is to bring your downloaded transactions into QuickBooks Online and categorize them so they appear in the correct accounts and your reports make sense. First, make sure your bank transactions are available in QuickBooks. You can either connect your bank directly or upload a file you've downloaded from your bank. To get started, look at the left panel and click Transactions. Then open the Bank Transactions tab. At the top right, you'll see two choices. Select Link Account if you want QuickBooks to connect to your bank and pull in new activity automatically. Or choose Upload File if you already have a file exported from your bank. Follow the on-screen prompts, and once you're done, your transactions will appear in the Bank Transactions tab. With your transactions imported, you're ready to categorize. This step tells QuickBooks what each item represents: income, an expense, or another type of movement, so your books and reports remain accurate. Click any transaction you want to categorize to open its details. Look for the field labeled Account. This drop-down controls which category in your chart of accounts the transaction will post to. Replace the selection in that drop-down and choose the category that best matches the purpose of the transaction. If the right option isn't listed, you can add a new one. Aim for clear, consistent categories to keep your chart of accounts tidy and your financial statements easy to read. Before you save, take a quick moment to scan the transaction details so the description and amount look right. When you're ready, click Add at the bottom right. That action saves the categorization and moves the transaction out of the review list. You'll now find it in the Categorize section within Bank Transactions, which is a simple way to confirm it's been handled. Continue down the list, repeating the same process. Open the transaction, select the appropriate account from the drop-down, and click Add. If you're unsure, choose the category that best reflects why the money was spent or received, and use that same category for similar items moving forward. And that's it. You've imported your bank activity and turned raw transactions into organized records, ready for accurate reports and easier decision-making.